Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to remove background noise from video and how we can do this. So let me directly get into a step. So the first one is all about you have to open your Google Chrome. We need the support of a tool or a site. So just go over here, search for Clipchamp over here and click on this one. And this is the official site called clipchamp.com, which is a video editor by Microsoft. So click on this one and that's going to take you to this. And right now, as you can see, this is actually not free, but we have a free option. So just click on the free, try it for free, and that's going to redirect you to this. And with your Google account and everything, you have to sign in. So you have to give all the credentials, you have to select the right Google account in which you wanted to sign in. And once you sign into this, just go for continue and give all the permissions and you have to grant everything. Once you logged into it, this is what you have to do. And right now, once you logged in, this is how the dashboard looks like. And as you can see, they will be asking some question like this. You can go for the personal purpose and you can remind me later. And this is how it looks like the dashboard. And right now, this is actually not free, but the video purpose, I mean, for a couple of videos can be done or you can edit it. But for more and daily use, you have to upgrade it. So it costs you a lot. As you can see, the Clipchamp Premium comes around, around $100. A month. For the yearly, it comes not $100, $10 a month, and for the year it charges you around $100. But I'm not suggesting you can go for the free version. And what you need to just go over here, try it for free. You can just click on the create new video, and we also have AI support as well. So this is the workplace and how it looks like. The first and foremost step, we have to click on import media and you have to select the video that you wanted to add. So I'm going to select this particular video over here. I'm going to select this particular video and where I'm going to add it. So once it's successfully added over here, you just need to select this so that, or you can drag this particular video and you have to keep it here. And as you can see right now, this is the video. And if I play this, you can hear the voices, which this will be having, background noise in the video itself. Now, the first and foremost step, in order to make the audio clear, what I need to do is I just need to detach the audio and video. To do so, what I need to just go over here, you have to select the video. Now click on detach audio. So when you click on the detach audio, what happens is the video and audio will be separated like this. Now this is the audio which having the issue with the background noise. Now I wanted to replace it with a good noise. To do so, select the audio over here and go to noise suppression. You have to turn this on. And once you turn this on, you just need to wait for a little bit of time because this is actually grayed out in the sense it is working. So once the grayed out is gone and it is visible, which means the noise suppression has started their work and the audio of this particular voice seems completely fixed up and you'll not be having any kind of background noises. And now once it is done, as you can see, it is visible, which means the audio is filtered right now. Now after this, you have to export this. In order to export, just click on export and go for video quality. From here, you can select the video quality for 480p, 720p or 180p. For 4K, you have to take the premium plans. Now just click over here on the 480p. And now from here, you can set it up and it will be take a little bit of time and then the video will be exported. Then you can use this. You can also, if you need only the audio, you can also do it. You can just click on export and we have only audio also available. You can try it. And this is how you can remove the noises from the background noise from any video. And I hope this quick video is helpful. See you soon next video. Peace out. Bye bye.